This is where we stayed. We'll just show you, because it's a very nice little hotel. Wildy wildy. Right, can anybody guess what these are? Because I didn't know what they were. So it's up for a cold drink in the shade. It's all very peaceful and busy at the same time, really. So all the bikers are coming in. It's a lovely atmosphere here, you know. What Sunday should be all about. So we're outside the Bodega San Francisco, down the bottom, sitting in dapple shade. Look at these, all of these. Quail's eggs. That's a nice tapper to go with my cold beer. Look at these little beauties. Absolutely beautiful. Cheers. We're going up there. Not that bridge. We're going to take the Arabian Bridge, allegedly. That's where we're heading. Up there. Also, you can't see the gorge in the darkness. And that's the Arabic bridge we've been across. There's a low one down again. And that's where we've come from. Down there. We've gone for a walk halfway down to show you this shot. It's in the shade, but we've been here before, haven't we? Right at the top. So I've ordered the red partridge and a nice glass of red. And we've escaped out of the sun. The light is setting. So those buildings over there, that's where we're staying. The other side of the bridge this time. But it's bloody cold. The temperature drops rapidly once the sun goes down. Gracias.